In this video, I'll show you the IR Blaster remote database compatible with all major brands for each device type. The IR Blaster comes with a massive built-in remote database, making setup fast without manually programming remotes from scratch. Simply select your appliance type and brand, test available profiles, and save the one that responds correctly. Support includes Asus TVs, set-top boxes, projectors, soundbars, media players, AV receivers, and more, covering both Indian and international brands. Most appliances connect within a few profile attempts, allowing you to quickly convert traditional IR controlled devices into smart app and automation-enabled devices. For rare or unsupported remotes, custom IR learning mode is also available. Now, I'll show you the IR Blaster remote database, compatible with all brands for each appliance type. Open the Home Automation app. Tap on Remote at the bottom. Tap on the plus icon to add a new IR remote. Select the appliance type you want to control and tap Next. Now tap on Room and select the room where your IR Blaster is configured. Select the IR device you want to use. Enter the appliance name and tap Next. Select the brand. Search for your appliance brand and choose it from the list. Now test all the remote buttons. If the remote is not responding, move to the next remote profile and test again. Once the buttons are working properly, tap OK. Then save the remote. Finally, tap Save. That's it. The remote has been added successfully. To use it, tap on the remote and control your appliance using the buttons inside the app. Your existing remote control devices become instantly smarter. Thank you.